Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming that your system uses systemd and that you have sudo or root access. Run systemtool version and inspect /sbin/init. Once done, install or update the distribution package manager's systemd if missing. Make sure you work on a snapshot or VM so you can revert changes. You will also verify kernel compatibility and that journaled has disk space. This prevents common failures. Now that prerequisites are set, proceed to manage services and units directly. You now create and manage units. List active and inactive services to understand current state. When you author a unit, place it in /etc/systemd/system/. Follow the unit, service, install sections, and set exec start precisely. After editing, run systemtool daemon reload so systemd picks up changes, then start and test with systemtool start and systemtool status to see logs. To persist at boot, use systemtool enable. Conversely, disable for transient services. You finish by handling advanced operations and recovery. Inspect failures with journaltool unit since 1 hour ago and follow live output using F. This shows why a unit failed. If a service must be blocked, mask it, unmask when ready. For system recovery, isolate rescue, target or emergency. Target to gain minimal services and repair configs. If things go wrong, boot into rescue, check unit files and core dumps, and then daemon reload and reboot. This sequence restores a working systemd environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.